Looking to expand your skills as a hairstylist or beautician? Are you interested in learning about hair integration replacement? Welcome to our Hair Integration Replacement course, expertly designed to help you broaden your skill set and offer a new, valuable service to your clientele. This comprehensive course not only equips you with the knowledge and techniques for hair integration, but also rewards you with a certification upon completion. This can be a magnet for new clients and a boon for your existing ones. Stay tuned to learn more about what this course offers. First, let's dive into the initial part of the course content: health and safety and types of hair. The cornerstone of any hair replacement service is, without a doubt, the adherence to robust health and safety standards. It's essential to maintain cleanliness, sterilize your tools, and handle hair products with care. This not only ensures the safety of your clients, but also enhances the longevity of the hair replacement systems. Now, let's delve into the world of hair types. Hair used in replacement systems can be as diverse as the people who wear them. You have synthetic hair, a cost-effective alternative that's easy to style but lacks some natural aspects of real hair. Then there's natural human hair, which offers a realistic look and feel, but requires more care. And lastly, we have heat-friendly synthetic hair, a hybrid of the two, offering versatility and ease of care. Understanding health and safety protocols and different types of hair are the first steps in mastering hair integration replacement. Next, we'll explore the other half of the course content: hair systems and forms of attachment. Hair systems, in essence, are non-surgical solutions designed to replace or cover areas of the scalp where hair is thinning or absent. They're intricate and highly customizable, allowing for a natural and seamless integration with the client's existing hair. Attachment methods are the secret sauce in providing a secure and comfortable fit for hair systems. There are several techniques, each with its own set of advantages. Glue, for instance, provides a strong hold and is ideal for those seeking a long-term solution. Tape, on the other hand, is quick, easy, and perfect for those who prefer to remove their system frequently. Lastly, clips offer the most flexibility, allowing clients to remove and reattach their system as they please. Creating and attaching a hair replacement system is an art. It requires precision, patience, and a deep understanding of your client's needs and lifestyle. With knowledge about hair systems and attachment methods, you'll be ready to offer hair integration replacement services to your clients. Now let's recap what we've learned and discuss the benefits of this course. We've delved into health and safety standards, explored various types of hair, examined hair systems, and studied forms of attachment. This course paves the way for you to broaden your abilities, culminating in a certificate of proficiency in hair integration replacement. By taking this course, you'll expand your skills, attract new clients, and offer a crucial service to those in need. So why wait? Start your journey with the Hair Integration Replacement course today.